Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect a broker to MetaTrader 5. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A list of available options will then be displayed. Simply tap on the account banner at the top of the screen and then tap on the add icon at the top right corner. This will redirect you to the broker search page. Here, tap on the search bar at the top and search for the target broker you would like to connect to. Just make sure to search for the one that is available in your region. Once you find the preferred broker, tap on it and enter the required information to connect with it. This may include your account details, login credentials, or any other necessary information specific to that broker. So that's basically how you can connect a broker to MetaTrader 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.